Hey there, foodies! Today, we're going to dive into a delicious and authentic Indonesian dish, chicken satay. This mouth-watering dish is not only tasty, but also incredibly easy to make. First, let's gather our ingredients. 300 grams of chicken, sliced into strips, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of peanut butter, 1 tablespoon of lime juice, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 garlic clove, minced, and skewers. Now, let's get cooking. Start by marinating the chicken in the soy sauce, peanut butter, lime juice, and turmeric powder. Once the chicken is coated, skewer it and grill it to perfection. The aroma of the grilled chicken will fill your kitchen, and your taste buds will thank you for this scrumptious meal. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope you enjoy this chicken satay recipe. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more delicious recipes. Until next time, happy cooking!